everyone, and welcome to Cricut Time. Subscribe to see new videos each week with project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. Hey everyone! We normally do projects on this channel, but Michaels put out their mystery grab boxes today, and I have to show you what I got in mine. I love finding these boxes. They put out these grab boxes after major holidays with clearance items and odds and ends that didn't sell at full price. Let's open one up and see what you can get for only $10. The first thing out of the box is this Frosty the Snowman Advent Calendar. Here is another Advent Calendar. This one is a Santa theme. Next is this Ashland Light Up House. This would go great in a Christmas village. Next, we have a really big roll of wired ribbon. This one is gold and sparkly. This one roll would normally cost more than the whole box did. Here is another roll of this ribbon. If I don't use this for a craft, then I can wrap my whole tree next year now that I have 2 rolls. Next is a 48 pack of white tissue paper. I use this all year long, so I'm happy about this one. These are a pack of coaster clay cutters. I don't cut my own clay, so I might actually just wash these and use them for cookie cutters. Here is a big pack of Sweet Tooth Fairy crushed peppermint candy. Here is another Sweet Tooth Fairy bag. This one is Christmas tree marshmallows. Oh, I'm surprised to find this one. It's a 3.5 by 5 picture frame. There are 1 or 2 little indentations, so maybe that's why it's in here. Either way, I can always use picture frames. Next is a little 3-pack of paper mache boxes. They are labeled as Christmas, but I would use these any time of the year for sure. Oh, there's some more wired ribbon. This one is a 12-foot roll, and it has a nice red and white burlap texture. Here is another roll of ribbon. This one is a Santa theme. We have a red roll of ribbon. Oh, and I like this one. It has a fun little Santa belt pattern. Next is a container of play snow. I haven't seen this before, but it looks fun and festive to play with. There are a few items here that kids would appreciate. We have 2 squishy Santa stickers. There's also 1 squishy gingerbread sticker. Next is 1 package of Ashland decorative filler ornaments. I can definitely use these on a project. There is a lot of ribbon in this box. Here is one in black and white buffalo plaid. This one lost its wrapping, but it's a nice sparkly black. This one is a gray and red plaid. And this one is a skinnier ribbon with a candy cane edge. Next is a package of Ashland mini present decorations. There are a few more things for the kids. There is a Creatology 5-pack of erasers, a 4-pack of Creatology puffy stickers, and a Creatology frame craft kit. These boxes can be so random. There are 3 packs of ornament hooks, and we have some leftover letters. Next is this little glass ornament. I like to add things like this nice little joy sign to centerpieces and trim the stick as needed. There is 1 random string of red beads, 1 nice Ashland glass bell ornament, 1 mini stocking. This one is pretty dirty, but you will occasionally find things like this inside the box. And last but not least, 1 stem of Christmas greenery. Every time I pick up one of these boxes, I'm always surprised at how much stuff is inside them. I don't need everything that's in here, but I will definitely put a lot of it to good use. For the price I would have paid for just 1 roll of ribbon got me way more than I could have asked for. If you end up picking up one of these boxes, let me know in the comments below what you find in yours. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for all things crafting and Cricut.